Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to show you how to check the transmission fluid level on your Ford Expedition. This one happens to be a 2012 with a 5.4 in it, but the process should be the same on an Expedition around this year. And we have the truck up in the air. This kind of is something you need to do with the truck up in the air so that you can kind of get under it. A lift would be the best way, but you know, there isn't a dipstick on this thing that comes up through the engine bay like the traditionally would be. So Steve and I are going to tackle this one, and we'll show you how to check it.
Big plug right here. Now the vehicle should be running to do this. We're just trying to check the fluid quality because we're debating whether we're going to do a transmission service and get fluid. The pan has a reusable gasket on it, so all you need is an internal filter that you can buy for it and reuse the pan gasket. And we're going to pull this plug out here, and you got to watch the converters right here. It gets hot. And when we take this cap off, it's like a plug cap really. Then there's a little plastic dipstick in here.
Yeah, it's right there to make it nice and easy for you, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, huh? How about that?
And here's our fluid. It should look pink, and it really doesn't look that pink to me. So,
yeah. What's the dipstick look like?
This is your dipstick right here.
Yeah, so you've gone from a nice long dipstick that goes into the engine bay. You know, traditionally on engines, so you're lucky we have this right now to use, right?
Yeah, so this transmission, and we previously checked the transfer case, we're gonna schedule this in for a fluid change and filter. But we wanted to know what the condition of the filter fluid looked like right now, and we know that it's not burnt, but it's not pink and clean either, so it does need to be serviced. And if you were to try and do this at home, you'd have to get this thing up on 4 jack stands in a safe level environment,
Yep.
have it running at operating temperature, take this plug off first, the metal one, and then you're gonna stick the cap back into your hole here, push it down flush like that, and then you'd pull it out to check your fluid level.
And again, the truck needs to be up to temperature when you do this to get the proper fluid level.
And definitely the fluid condition is not pink.
Okay.
You know, that's got to be, we got to service that.
Yeah,
So.
we'll have to tackle this.
And be careful with the converter. Like I said, it's right there next to your hand, and it is hot. So we'll pop this in. There is a little seal washer on this plug right here, little green seal washer. That usually stays stuck to it. And we'll put this back in. It's a 19mm wrench to remove it. And we'll tighten this back up, and it's going to be done for another day.
Huh. But yeah, that's how you would check the level of your transmission fluid. At least you can do it. A lot of cars these days and trucks, you can't even do it anymore, right?
It's very similar to this style on a Ford Explorer as well.
Okay. What year Explorer did you check this out on?
On the 08 Explorer, it's the same process.
It's the same process. Okay.
Yeah, to check the fluid.
All right. Just gonna snug up that dipstick.
That's it.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you out.